INK-Pics, Pick Aside. Pick with Purpose. By Inkfluence of Art, Homegrown Healing, one pick at a time. In a world where noise drowns out meaning, and ego leads louder than empathy, Inkfluence of Art invites you to pick a side. The side of healing. The side of expression. The side of truth told through art. Introducing INK-Pics, our homegrown collection of hand-punched guitar picks, keychains, and wearable art. Created in-house from real, original artwork. Crafted to strike a chord. This Earth Day, we're not just going green. We're green with envy, for a world run by those who care. Not those clutching crowns with trembling hands and fragile pride. And this May, we confront the culture of control with our Frail Egos campaign. Because when leaders fear being outshone, it's not about power anymore, it's about panic. We're not here to harass leaders. We're here to remind them. Art always tells the truth. And the truth doesn't break, even when the ego does. This isn't just merch. This is movement-made art. Wear it. Play it. Pick with purpose. Get ready for the ego crusher. Coming Earth Day, only at Inkfluence of Art. INK-Pics. Strike a chord. Heal the world.
Hope on the page. Turn to feeling into something you can cradle on a stage. Each note a whisper, each drum a start. This little piece of plastic is shaped from art. Pick me when the world goes dark. Pick me when you're playing your heart. From brush to string, let the music begin. This INK-Pics got a story within. Born in the studio, baptized in light, pressed from emotion, made to ignite. It ain't just a pick, it's a prayer, a protest, a love song, a breath of air. Final pick me, let the silence part. Pick me, we need a spark. This ain't just sound, it's soul from the start. This INK-Pic will reach your heart. Let the silence part. Pick me when you need a spark. This ain't just sound, it's soul from the start. This INK-Pic will reach your heart.